Good morning, students. Today's knowledge giving topic is immunization, and this is from the same unit of epidemiology. So, let's see what is National Immunization Schedule. All pregnant women, infants, and children at specified time must be vaccinated against communicable disease so as to give protection against such diseases. Then all the countries have their own immunization schedule according to their local needs and feasibility. So national immunization schedule means what is followed in India, that is in your nation. In this immunization schedule, the government has finalized certain vaccines of specific diseases what is causing death in the human being, especially in children when the child is born, and if the child is not taken proper care, so from those time onwards, whatever disease conditions are harmful that can cause death are very very important for human health. So government has finalized, or you can say they have with the help of the scientists, they have invented the vaccines that are helping to save the life of the children's. Then let's see what are these vaccines. A vaccine is a biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed form of the microbe, its toxin, or one of its surface protein. So this is vaccine that is used for treating some particular type of disease, that is the disease which is caused by certain specific viruses or bacteria. To kill those bacteria and viruses, these vaccines are given to the human beings to protect them from the causative agents. So these vaccines can be live attenuated, that is made of live vaccine, or it can be made of killed vaccines, or the toxins that are produced by those viruses made of those toxoids. So there are three categories in the vaccine. Then let's see what are the immunization schedule. So in infant at the time of birth, there are three main vaccines given to them when the infant is born, that is at birth. BCG is given for tuberculosis, then hepatitis B 0 dose, and OPV is oral polio vaccine. So this hepatitis B and OPV are given 0 doses. And we'll see the next. At the age of 6, 10, 14 weeks, when the child is of 6, 10 and 14 weeks, that listen it carefully, when the child is of 6 weeks, then vaccines will be given. Then when he is getting of 10 weeks, then vaccine is given, and when the child gets 14 weeks, then vaccine is given. So these are the three important dates to be noticed. So in those weeks, the child gets pentavalent 1, 2, 3, then OPV 1, 2, 3, and IPV. IPV is inactivated polio vaccine, and this pentavalent vaccine includes 5 vaccines that I will be dealing in the later on. Then we'll see next. On the 9th month, the child is given measles vaccine, vitamin A supplementation, that is it is in the form of you can say drop form. Then JE is Japanese encephalitis. So these three vaccines are given at the time when the baby is of 9 months. Then when the child is of 16 to 24 months. 16 to 24 months means when the child is above 1 year and up to 2 years of age. So he is getting DPT booster dose, then OPV booster dose, and JE, that is Japanese encephalitis. Then when the child gets of 16 to 72 months, when the child gets almost more than 2 years, so this vaccine must be given, that is vitamin A. Then to pregnant mothers, the tetanus toxoid is very very necessary. So when the mothers are almost up to 3 years of their pregnancy, then they are giving the tetanus vaccine. Then let's see the doses. Now you have seen what are vaccines to be given. Now we will see the doses, how much we are giving. So BCG is given at the birth, then maximum 1 year. If you in the chance if the child is missing at the birth BCG vaccine, then maximum 1 year of age he should get. Then dose is 0.5 ml till 1 month then 0.01 ml after 1 month to 1 year. Then route is intradermal, side upper arm. Then dilute sodium chloride, mainly it is not diluted but it is written here, so we'll see how the doctor advises. Then it is given in the intradermal with it is given through intradermal route on the left upper arm. Then hepatitis B 0 dose, that is hepatitis, is given at a time of within 24 hours. Dose is 0.05 ml and it is given intramuscular in the anterolateral thigh. Then OPV, that is oral polio vaccine, is given at the time of birth, maximum 15 days and dose is 2 drops and the route is oral. Then pentavalent 1, 2, 3. This pentavalent includes, the word penta itself means 5. So this pentavalent is given to fight with the 5 disease conditions. These 5 disease conditions are diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B and hemophilia. So these are the 5 pentavalent diseases, and for those diseases this vaccine pentavalent 1 to 3 is given. At the time you have to give is at the 6 week, 10 week, 14 week and maximum 1 year of age. The dose is 0.5 ml, route is intramuscular and the site is anterolateral thigh. Then DPT vaccine. DPT is also diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. Then the time is 16 to 24 months, maximum 7 years of age. Dose is 0.5 ml, route is intramuscular and the site is anterolateral thigh. Then measles is given at the time when the child is of 9 months, maximum 5 years. Then dose is 0.5 ml, route is subcutaneous and the site is right upper arm. Then tetanus vaccine, time is 10 years and 16 years, maximum 16 years, dose is 0.5 ml, route is intramuscular, site is upper arm. Then JE, that is Japanese encephalitis, 1 and 2 dose, time is 9 months to 12 months and 16 months to 12 months, 24 months. Then the maximum is 15 years of age, dose is 0.5 ml, route is subcutaneous, site is left upper arm. Then you can dilute it with phosphate buffer. Then IPV. IPV is inactivated polio vaccine. This is given at a time of 6 and 14 weeks. Maximum is 1 year of age. Dose is 0.1 ml. Route is intradermal and the site is right upper arm. Then PCV is pneumococcal conjugate vaccine to save the children from pneumonia. So the time is 6, 10 and 14 weeks and booster 9 completed months, maximum 1 year of age. Dose is 0.5 ml, route is intramuscular and site is anterolateral thigh, right side. Then rotavirus, here the word is written rota, mainly it is given against rotavirus. It is a rotavirus vaccine. This is given against the diarrhea. So the rotavirus is a virus that causes diarrhea in children, which is life-taking, or you can say threatening conditions in children, which causes death of the children. So it is mainly given at the age of 6, 10 and 14 weeks, maximum 1 year of age, and the dose is 5 drops. Route is oral. Then tetanus in pregnancy as early as possible, maximum 16 years. Then dose is 0.5 ml, 2 doses, 1 booster dose if last pregnancy less than 3 years. Route intramuscular, site upper arm. Mainly this TT vaccine is divided into 3 terms, mainly when the mother is of 3 months pregnancy, then 3 months, 6 months and then 9 months. So there are 3 doses of TT in pregnant women. So here you can see the chart. What I have already told is this is in the chart form that is made by the government. This is the National Immunization Schedule. This is mainly asking the exam, and you have to draw in the same way in the form of the chart. So at birth, BCG, OPV and hepatitis, single 0 dose first dose, IM oral, IM, then 0.05 ml. These all things I have told you briefly. Just you can see here the chart how it is given. Then at the 6th week, DTWP. This DTWP is nothing but diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis. Then IPV is inactivated polio vaccine, hepatitis B. Then HIB is hemophilia, rotavirus. PCV means pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. And again at 10 weeks, the same thing, DTWP dose 2. IPV dose 2, hemophilia dose 2, rotavirus dose 2 and PCV. Then next we'll go at 14 weeks. DTWP dose 3, IPV dose 3, HIV, that is hemophilia 3, dose 3, rotavirus dose 3, PCV dose 3. Then at 6 months OPV 1, hepatitis B 3. Then influenza vaccine at 7 month, influenza vaccine at 9 month, OPV and measles. Then at 12 month hepatitis A1. Then at 15 months MMR is mumps, measles and rubella vaccine. Then PCV, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. At 16 to 18 months, DTWP, diphtheria, tetanus pertussis, IPV, inactivated polio vaccine. Then HIB, that is hemophilia. At 18 months, hepatitis A2. Then at 2 years, typhoid vaccine. Then again at 4 to 5 years, DTWP, OPV, MMR, varicella, typhoid vaccine. At 10 to 12 months, TT, HPV only for female. So this is the national immunization schedule. So today's class we have seen about the national immunization schedule that is given by the government to save the life of the children. In that we have seen about the months and doses, how much are given to the children. So that's all for the today's class.